Welcome back to another episode with Bantering with ByrdAdatto. We've done almost a dozen videos and webinars in the last few months on safety needs to protect your business and practice from COVID in your facility. But what happens when COVID gets into your facility? To address these issues, we have a mini series we've put together for y'all, and we're calling it COVID Questions from Our Clients. So today's question is, Michael?
Today's question, Brad, is do I need to shut down my medical practice if an employee tested positive for COVID-19?
It's a great question. We actually have gotten this one a lot from our clients, and the reason is their fear of their facility being, having COVID in there. And the answer is no. You do not have to shut down your medical practice. One of the things that the CDC does recommend is social distancing with your employees, and obviously cleaning the facilities when necessary. So using EPA cleaning of substance, and hopefully, more importantly, your employees were wearing FDA masks. Again, assuming that you're a medical practice and a healthcare personnel, the CDC said that if you're wearing a mask, the individuals are wearing a mask throughout that time frame, you would not need a quarantine yourself. The individual who did test positive would need a quarantine. There's a whole guidelines on that, which we're not going to get into today. But you do not have to shut down your medical practice. Make sure you clean the area that individual was working in. And if they were not social distancing and your employee and other employees were interacting without masks, they would need a quarantine or be tested, again, following the CDC guidelines. But I think that's all we want to give them today. And so, as you can see, there's a lot to unpack when it comes to COVID. There's so many different laws and regulations, but we're trying to answer each question as they come in. Hopefully, throughout this mini series, we'll be answering a lot of your questions. But of course, if you have any other questions, just reach out to us. So, thanks again for joining us today.